Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have my Macys Beauty Box that just came in for the month of December. The month's almost done. I think they tend to send their boxes more toward the ending of the month. I'm super excited to see what's in this box because I actually love the Macys Beauty Boxes. These are one of my favorite subscription boxes to unbox. You get great value worth of makeup, skincare, fragrance from the Macys department store, all for a whopping $15. You cannot go wrong with that deal. If you guys want to see what I got in my box, you guys know what to do. Just keep on watching. So before I get into my unboxing, as always, I like to welcome anyone new to my channel. So welcome, my name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on this channel. We do makeup subscription unboxings. We do makeup hauls, advent calendars, shopping hauls, anything beauty related you're going to see on this channel. So if you love makeup just as much as I do, I would say subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. We're growing very strong on the channel, so I would love to have you as a part of my family here. If you guys like my content, also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you love what you're watching. Alrighty guys, we're gonna just dig in because I can't wait anymore. I gotta see what I got. Alrighty guys, so normally we get like some type of makeup bag, but there was no bag. This is what it looks like when you open the box up. I got a curling iron, which is different because we've never really got like hair products. So let's see what we got in the box. This is the front card. I normally don't really look at it because I don't want to spoil my surprise, but I think I already just did. They always give you a card. This is $10 off when you spend $40 in the beauty department in, I was going to say in Sephora, in Macys. Now, there's no exclusions. You could buy anything in the Macys cosmetics department with that coupon. So, they're good to have. I never use them, but they're good to have in case you need them. Alrighty. So, we already know this is a curling wand, so I'm going to look at that last. But let's see what's inside the tissue paper. Alrighty, so last month's subscription box from Macys was amazing. Everything was all Yves Saint Laurent and I was loving it. Your girl was loving it. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it down in the comments in the description below so you guys can see that video. That box was amazing. Let's see, it's gonna be hard to top that box, but let's see if this box tops it. Alrighty, so the first thing I see in here that I'm not thrilled to open is these cheap scrunchies that they just threw in here. What is this? What is this? This is just like, they ran out of stuff to put in the box, so they're like, I'm gonna just put some random generic scrunchies from Amazon in here because Macys don't even sell scrunchies. These are a non-name brand scrunchies. Now, the box is supposed to be things that you could buy in Macys, but Macys does not sell scrunchies. And these have no name on them, so these are just some generic, cheap, little, cheap scrunchies. So, not too thrilled about this, but let's keep it moving. Alrighty. I hope that was an add-on. No, that wasn't an add-on because it's on the cover, but I am super excited for the fragrances. So, these boxes always give you a fragrance. They give you a women's fragrance and a men's fragrance, but it's usually the same brand. This month, they gave us Dior. So, for females, we got the fragrance Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. And for men's, we got the Dior Savage. So, some people say Savage, you know, whatever floats your boat. Tomato. But let's smell this Miss Dior. I have the Miss Dior Cherie one, like the light one. This is like one of the newer ones. I love the smell of flowers, and it says it's a blooming bouquet. It says a bouquet of delicate peony and roses, and white musk. It smells a caress of fresh floral. I love floral scents, so let's see if it's up to par. Oh my god, they gave me an empty fragrance thing. Oh, there's something that finally came out. But it feels like there's nothing in here. That probably was like the only spray. I don't know if I'm loving this. I don't know. I don't know if this is... I don't feel anything in here, but from what I sprayed, it doesn't smell like much. So, anybody have this fragrance? It's not doing much for me. Alright, I know what the men's fragrance smells like, but we're going to smell it on camera. This is what the bottle looks like. They gave us of the Eau de Parfum. Let's smell it. It feels like there's nothing in these bottles, but let's see. I barely could get a spritz out of this. Oh, this smells delightful. It smells delicious. Woo, this smells good. So, it says this is a woody scent. It says it's a powerful fresh of sauvage, includes mysterious and sensual facets, spicy and juicy bergamot with a woody trail. I already knew I was gonna like how this smelled because I smelled this before. You and your man to smell nice, get them some Dior Savage, or whatever you want to call it. Alrighty, so the next thing I got here is some little minis here. We have a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and we have a NYX Creme Brulee Lip Gloss. So we got some little minis here. We got the Believe True Cream Aqua Bomb. I've gotten a couple of these in other mystery boxes. We got a Tarte Mini Mascara. The Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara in black. I received lots of these also in subscription boxes. And last but not least, we got a flat iron. I don't even know, does Macys sell Sutra flat irons? Like, I'm confused because I've never seen them sell like flat irons. And I know some Macys have like the dry bar hair stuff, but I've never seen this. But nevertheless, beggars can't be choosers. I'm going to take it. This is good for travel. Let me show you what she looks like. So it's purple. It's like a little mini curling wand. I will definitely be grateful for this because this will be good for travel. I don't have to carry my full-size one. I've never had a mini, like, curling iron. I have a mini flat iron, but I've never really had a mini curling iron. And I like when they have that little tip on the end that you can hold it so you don't burn your hand from holding the actual hot rod. So I'm very excited for this. I am very, very excited for this. So, let's see here. I'm curious to see how much that mini hair wand was. It says that retails for $200. I'm shocked, but that's what they say. Ooh, in the picture there was a hot pink one. I wish I would have got the one in the picture because pink's my favorite color. But nevertheless, this is like a picture of like what all the full-size items would look like if you bought them full-size. I like that they show you the sample version in the front, but then they show you what the full-size looks in the back. Or are they saying the full-size is $200? Maybe they're saying the full-size is $200. Very excited to try these items out. I'm trying to see, was there anything I wasn't that thrilled about? No, everything for the most part was good. You know how I feel about when I get the moisturizers. I don't really use them because I have so many. But rather than that, everything else I'm very excited to try. So what did you guys think about this Macys Beauty Box? Sorry, I couldn't talk for a second. For the month of December. I'm excited for everything. I can't wait to try everything out. This box was only $15. So for the simple fact that I only paid $15, beggars can't be choosers. I got a whole curling wand. Like this alone would have made it the value of the box, and everything else was just like free add-ons in my opinion. So loving the box. Love that they give that coupon. you get $10 off when you spend $40. The box was $15, so right off the bat, if you use your coupon, you only paid $5 for the box. So that's amazing. I can't wait to use my stuff out, to try my stuff out. And that's really about it. Now I really gotta do my unboxing of my Mindful Souls box. I was supposed to unbox it, but I know these subscription boxes is time sensitive because the month of December is almost done. And I know you guys want to see what you're gonna get, so I will film that box next. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Give me a thumbs up, it really helps me.